In today's video, I take a look on board Singapore Airlines' business class on their 737-800 from Penang to Singapore. So let's have a look on board. Our adventure starts off at the lounge, so let's go have a look inside. Finally in the lounge, after an hour in border force, just a massive queue and they don't have many people on. It's really annoying. But I think it works in the same way as in Ireland, in the Republic of Ireland, when you go to America. I'm not sure, but if anyone is from Malaysia, please tell me if that's true or not. I think it works the same way. But yeah. Besides that, if you are flying out of Penang, do leave enough time to get through security. As we did wait for an hour, I would leave 2 or 3, maybe 4 hours to get through security, as it's quite long and not well managed. But anyways, the lounge was very nice. There was a lot of food on offer. They had food from every part of the world on offer, from Europe to America, even Asian food. So there's a bit of something for everyone if you like that sort of food. So we're now finally at the gate, from gate A5, and we'll be on our way to Singapore. So here it is, the ride down to Singapore. This beautiful Boeing 737-800. Well, I got to say, it looked very nice in the morning light. Today I'll be sitting in 12 Alpha, which is quite a nice window seat right here. Business class on board this aircraft is in a 2-2 configuration. So just here you have controls to adjust the seat. I also forgot to show that they have plug sockets and the tray table is here. Anyway, enough of me forgetting things. The cabin crew passed around complimentary drinks. You could choose between water, apple juice, or orange juice, or alcohol. Then the cabin crew came around and passed out hot towels. I forgot to show, but they did come round with the menu option for lunch today. It was either chicken or beef noodles. And I've gone for the chicken noodles, so I can't wait to try them out. I have just spotted something outside my window. Boeing the 747 400 freighter. It is very nice to see, and I hope the Queen of the Sky lives on forevermore. I think a lot of people do appreciate the 747, and I think it's a very pretty aircraft to see. A few minutes later, the air bridge detached from the aircraft, and we'll be starting our push back towards Singapore. Soon enough, we'd reached our cruising altitude and were on our way to Singapore. By this point, the cabin crew had started the onboard service. On this flight today, I had gone with the chicken noodles, but you also had the option of beef noodles as well. And I got to say, it was very, very tasty, and I would go for that option. I have got to say, that was very nice, and I actually rather enjoyed that. Unfortunately, there'll be no Lou review on this flight, and it's only an hour long, and I got stuck with my tray table next to me, so I couldn't move. But oh well, we're a couple minutes now in from landing into Singapore, Changi. I may have butchered that, I'm sorry if I did. But we're a few minutes now from landing in Singapore. It is time for the airline score. This is the part of the video where I rank the airline out of 100 on how well they have done. So let's get straight into it. So the food on board today's flight was very, very nice. I loved the chicken noodles. They were so good. Like, I'd recommend them to anyone who took this flight with Singapore. It's so amazing. The seat was okay. I only used the seat for an hour, so it didn't make much difference, but the seat was comfortable. And the cabin crew for today's service were downright friendly. I loved every second of the cabin crew. They were just so friendly and attentive, and yeah, the cabin crew were nice. So Singapore, I rank you guys 78 out of 100. That's the highest score we have done out of the 3 videos so far, like trip reports. That's the highest one we've got. So well done. You are currently the highest ranked. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys do like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. And I'll catch you guys and girls in the next one. Goodbye.